Ka Jingshah Pyniap Dangshen Jong Nongialam Balang Baptes Manipur, Kalapinlong Yumentri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya, Ukonrat ke Sangma, Ban Pinram Jur Yakani ke Kam Thombor, Habakrench Kilat Pathai Khubor, Hagasni Palay, Ukonrat Ulo Ong Bakani ke Jingshah Thombor, Kalong Kabashir Khaybat Kabamla Ban Pdiang. Ulo Ong Ru, Baga Sengjong U Kapersha Ikino Kino Kijat Kamle Donbor, Bat Kintu ya ke sorkar Jylla, Bat ki paidbah ke Manipur, Bakinya Trailang Ban Pinsangye no ya ke Jingïada ke Badang Beteng. Katkum ke jingit hu jong u lada amdon ke jing sok kan long ka ba e ban wanrah biang ya ke jing long jingman ka ba jai jai ha manipur ka manipur kalamat ya ke jing kenat hapdeng ke jai bin riu nadu ubnai jima ar jar ar phun riu ka bala wanrah ya ke jing do no bat ke jing sha bin ken ria jaka jong bon ngut ki pai ba
The attack, any kind of violence is something that from our party side is completely unacceptable. And the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party. And we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop and we must continue to work together, as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur, as Manipur has been suffering for a very long time, and if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state of Manipur. So born in Assam, and therefore let a few days pass. I will communicate with Honorable Chief Minister Assam, and we will definitely take the discussion forward soon. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.
Thank you.